Welcome to day 1 of our 62-day graphics and multimedia course. Today we dive into the world of graphics and multimedia, its scope, applications, and growing relevance in the digital age. Graphics are visual content designed to communicate information or ideas. From logos and posters to digital UI elements, graphics help convey messages effectively. This includes still graphics like photographs and motion graphics such as animated videos and explainer clips. Multimedia is the integration of multiple media types: text, images, audio, video, and animation to deliver rich, engaging content. It's used in everything from websites and advertisements to games and learning tools, making communication more immersive and interactive. Multimedia content is made up of 5 key elements: text, images, audio, video, and animation. Each element plays a unique role. Text conveys clarity, image enhances visual appeal, audio adds emotion, video captures attention, and animation brings concepts to life. Graphics and multimedia combine creativity with technology. They are essential for digital storytelling, brand communication, product design, and user experience. From static visuals to immersive animations, this field is foundational to modern media. Multimedia has widespread applications across industries. In advertising, it builds brand identity. In education, it powers e-learning. In gaming and filmmaking, it enhances immersion. Even architecture and product design rely on it for visual and simulation. New frontiers are shaping the multimedia landscape. Augmented reality and virtual reality are transforming user interaction. AI is generating content in real time. These innovations are redefining how we learn, play, shop, and communicate. Let's look at some real-world examples. In education, multimedia enables interactive lessons. In healthcare, 3D models support medical training. In gaming and e-commerce, it powers realistic visuals and virtual product try-ons. Multimedia truly is everywhere. Multimedia has evolved rapidly. In the 60s, it was basic computer graphics. By the 80s, desktop publishing had arrived. The 90s introduced web graphics and CD-ROMs. Flash took over the 2000s. Today we are exploring cloud tools, VR, and AI-powered creation. This field offers diverse career paths. You can be a graphic designer, animator, video editor, UI or UX designer, 3D artist, or a creative director. These roles are in demand across industries, both in full-time jobs and freelancing. Multimedia enhances how we consume, understand, and respond to information. It's vital in education, marketing, entertainment, and digital transformation. Its ability to captivate and inform makes it a powerful tool in every industry. Now it's your turn. List 5 examples of multimedia you encounter daily: apps, ads, websites, games, or videos. Identify the media types involved and choose one to share with the class. This helps build real-world awareness of multimedia's presence. For your assignment, create a mood board or short presentation. Define graphics and multimedia in your own words. List at least 5 practical applications and include visuals. Use tools like Canva or PowerPoint. Be creative. If you are curious to go further, watch a video on the evolution of digital design. This reflects how has multimedia transformed communication. Which area do you find more exciting and why? This reflection will deepen your understanding of the field. To summarize, graphics are the visual core of communication, while multimedia brings in interaction and depth. It's used in every industry, is rapidly evolving, and opens up a range of creative career opportunities. This is just the beginning of your journey.